I would explain the Artists in Residence program as a program that invites people from different fields and from different expertise to come in and share their knowledge. In my build nights, I usually have the students take like a tote bag or a pencil bag and take it apart without the worry of like, oh, this is something valuable, I don't want to like ruin it. But really let their hands get dirty and messy. The most rewarding thing has always been the process and the trials and tribulations of finding yourself. I think the learning factory has really helped me out during the build nights with the people and the community here involved. A lot of awesome TAs helping me out with managing all the machines and facilitating and fostering a really uplifting and growing learning environment. The learning factory has really helped me out that way.